the heart of Guadalajara's historic Colonia Americana, Casa Remedios stands as a thoughtful dialogue between past and present. This century-old residence, originally shaped by the post-colonial architectural character of the neighborhood, has undergone a meticulous restoration and expansion by Landa Studio. Set within one of the city's most walkable and vibrant districts, the house embraces its narrow, elongated lot and internal courtyards, key elements that channel natural light deep into the home's core. The front two-thirds of the property preserve the original layout almost entirely, transforming these restored spaces into guest rooms while maintaining their historic character. Local materials were carefully reintegrated, and the iconic checkered floor tiles were either preserved or extended where possible. The architects reorganized the bathrooms to ensure each guest room now functions as a private suite, combining the charm of the old house with contemporary comfort. What was once a paved entrance patio, remnant of the building's former life as a daycare, has been reimagined as a quiet garden featuring 3 mature trees and a gravel floor. Along this garden, a new outdoor kitchen stretches subtly toward the guest area, creating a social anchor for the front half of the home. By removing the wall that previously divided the patio from the entrance hall, the designers created a seamless visual flow from the main staircase toward the garden, emphasizing openness and connection. The rear third of the property introduces an entirely new 2-story residence designed around a central courtyard. On the ground floor, the entry sequence leads to the kitchen, dining, and living areas, all arranged to embrace the outdoors. The upper level hosts more private programs, a media room, family area, bedroom suite, and walk-in closet. Each space opens directly to the courtyard, where a transplanted jacaranda tree, native to the neighborhood, becomes the emotional and visual heart of the home. With no interior depth exceeding 4.5 meters, daylight fills every room throughout the day. A defining principle of the project is the elimination of rigid boundaries. Instead of fixed doors or solid partitions, the architects relied on lightweight elements, curtains, built-ins, and strategic openings to allow spaces to merge effortlessly. An 8-meter kitchen table serves multiple roles: entry point, prep surface, and dining area, linking the entire ground floor into one continuous experience. Above, custom millwork bridges the bedroom and bathroom, offering storage, privacy, and even a place to rest after bathing. Casa Remedios is conceived not as a static object, but as a living organism one that adapts to the evolving rhythms of its inhabitants. The private residence at the back remains the primary dwelling, while the restored front rooms are intentionally designed for multiple futures: an office, a studio, a gym, or even a garage. By balancing specificity with flexibility, the project becomes a study in sustainable reuse, demonstrating how historic homes can be transformed into adaptable spaces that remain relevant for generations.